Meanwhile, Japan's weather agency has warned the people to prepare and be aware of the powerful typhoon that is approaching the country. Kent Hashimoto reports.
On Wednesday, Japan Meteorological Agency has urged people to make safety preparations as a powerful typhoon approaches. The Weather Bureau said that Typhoon Mindulle is forecast to move close to Tokyo's Izu Islands in the Pacific on Friday while maintaining its strength. The agency warned that Typhoon Mindulle is expected to bring storms and heavy rains to the Pacific coastal areas of eastern and northern, depending on its track. A weather official also noted that the weather disturbance was large, with stormy areas covering 600 kilometers from its center. The Japan Meteorological Agency also called onto the residents, especially those in Izu Islands, to complete their preparations in case of an emergency evacuation or other safety measures today before condition worsens as the typhoon approaches. The Weather Bureau also urged the residents in other areas across the country to remain vigilant, ready their safety preparations, and keep updated on the typhoon, since its track may change. 以上、日本からの橋本健太でした。SMNI News Japan.
Subscribe to SMNI News Channel and turn on notification button for more news updates. This is SMNI News Channel. Truth that matters.